We started Collab Capital because we felt that there was a pretty wide gap in need as it relates particularly to Black entrepreneurs. I'm sure you all have seen the statistics, but it said that less than 1% of venture capital funding goes to Black founders and Black founded companies. And we know that particularly Black founders and Black women founders are some of the largest growing segments of entrepreneurs. And so there's a disparity there that we thought needed to be addressed. And instead of just saying, okay, we're going to invest in Black founders, we really wanted to explore, what is happening? Why is it that Black founders are not receiving the same rate of funding, in relation to how many of them are starting businesses? And so when we thought about that and we really explored our own journeys and also took the data from all of the conversations and meetings and mentorship sessions that we've had with Black founders over the years, what we came to see is that actually we think there is a need to create a new vehicle and a new structure that is designed with Black entrepreneurs in mind. So we created what we consider to be sort of an alternative capital structure that really thinks about the alignment between the entrepreneur and their goals and us as the investor, and also considers this kind of macro problem around the wealth gap in this country. And so we think that it's very important for entrepreneurs, particularly Black entrepreneurs, to maintain equity and ownership in the businesses they start, because that is one way that we can start to counteract this gaping wealth gap that we have in this country. And so we built this model so that Black entrepreneurs don't have to raise a lot of rounds of funding and therefore potentially give up quite a bit of equity and perhaps lose control of the companies they start. But instead, they can have an option to maintain ownership in those companies, pass them on in their families if they so choose, and then start to create real wealth in the Black community, which we think can kickstart a lot of other solutions to the problems that we see in those communities.